Are you ready to earn £60,000 with Amazon FBA? Are you a newbie or are you looking for a side hustle to earn extra money? This is the challenge for you. We're going to be showing you step by step what is required from you in order for you to actually join us on this challenge. This isn't just something that I'm going to do and fabricate figures or not show you figures or do 3 episodes and then give up midway through and not show you the likes of many other content creators in the Amazon FBA space. We are super proud of our deal sheet. We're super proud of the community that we have, that we are willing to actually document the whole entire thing, full transparency. And by doing so, we will show you why we are the best Amazon FBA channel to follow for your own personal progress. So what do you need to do to start this challenge? Well, the first thing you need to do is subscribe to the channel. You must hit the alert button and like this video, guys. Help us grow the channel, spread the word, but stay up to date. So because we will be doing progress reports, we will be doing our monthly video at the end of every month to show you the progress. The second thing you need, what goes without saying, is an Amazon FBA account. Very easy. We've done videos before discussing it. £25 plus VAT. That's you signed up to the subscription. The other third thing then you need is access to our deal sheets. Now you can pay our subscription monthly, sign up, please feel free to do that. But again, to try and help newbies, we actually offer free access. You will need software, you will need subscriptions. Check out our partner discounts. Any of those links, you will get 2 free weeks access to Deal Hunters, and you can use it for each link. So 3 links, that would be 6 weeks access to Deal Hunters. And we also have a 2-day trial for £5 if you just want to test the water. That's it. That is you then in the position to start this dream. The only other thing you'll need is to be able to buy infantry, and to buy infantry, you will need money. Now, we toyed with different ideas. We thought we'll go 10 grand, that'll be too easy. We'll go with 5 grand, maybe that's too much for a newbie, even someone with a side hustle, especially in today's cost of living crisis. Not a lot of people have £5,000 down the back of the sofa. £1,000 is probably too little. It'll take a long time to grind it out. So we went with a happy medium, £3,000. That is how much we will invest in the month of February, and we will see what returns we can get. The idea is here, we'll be looking on the deal sheet for deals that will have high sales. Initially, when you start, you want your products in and out. You don't want the best ones of ROI. There's a misconception there. People think better the ROI, the better. You don't want to be sitting on stock for 4 months trying to collect that high ROI, because you could have 3 or 4 ins and outs of different goods, which will far surpass your ROI target. So yes, ROI is massive, and ideally high sales, high ROI. But in an ideal world, the more important thing as a newbie or somebody is starting this, especially on a tight budget, it's sales. You want the items in and out. At the end of every month, we will go through the deals that we bought from the deal sheet. We will outline exactly which ones they were. It will be full transparency, and you could be doing this as you go as well. That's the exciting thing about Amazon FBA. There's plenty of deals to go around. I have no problem with our deal sheets, because the good thing about our deal sheets are they're not saturated. We have procedures in place to catch anybody that's trying to share our deals. You will be banned, and not only that, you'll be prosecuted potentially, because the thing is, this is a digital content. This is no different than stealing, and if you steal, guess what? If you do the crime, you do the time. Now, before Christmas, I got rid of a lot of infantry. As you know, well documented on the channel, I was loading up heavily before Q4 in toys for the Q4 push. Thankfully, that has paid off remarkably well. I had my best months in November and December of all time. I've learned from a lot of mistakes, and obviously the Deal Hunters team has taught me a vast amount of information as well. So now I know how to manage my inventory, meaning that I've pretty much ran out of most of my stock, and or it's all in Amazon's warehouses already. So I'm at a stage where I've kind of cleaned the decks. I took a whole month off for the Christmas period and the early January period to enjoy family time, trips away to Amsterdam, different things. That's all been documented on our social medias. If you don't follow us there, feel free to follow us there. Let's have a look at some story spaces to get an idea of what type of setup you need to be able to do Amazon FBA journey with us. So the first thing we're going to do is we're loading up the garage here. This is where I do all my wholesale orders that are local suppliers. And you can see here, I've kind of got a setup now where it's just an old out worktop, nothing too major. Old kitchen units, we've got our Amazon boxes. We've got it all kind of just sitting here, all ready to go. And this is part of the journey. It took me about a year to get to this stage. If you go into here, then you can see we've got other products and different things with the sink. We've kind of got it all over the place. and it's still a work in progress. The idea is this is sort of my main base up here on that one. In here, you know, you can see buy in bulk, all your sellotape, all your labels, everything, it's all there. Best prices, you know, you're investing in this. There is no reason to be wasting money. Think big. Think about how legitimately you can make this Amazon business become. But let's take you inside. This might be the stage you're at. I want this challenge to be relatable to anyone that's beginning the Amazon FBA journey or anybody that's looking to do it as a side hustle. We're going to get to £60,000 and I'm going to document the whole entire thing. Not like these other YouTubers that just say about making great money. We're actually going to do it. We actually want to show you how buying deals from our deal sheet is going to make you a lot of money. Starting on the 1st of February, I'm going to be buying from the deal sheet, focused purely on a beginner sort of side hustle mindset. The idea is I will be buying the best deals that give you the best quantity so I can get the units in and out, because we're going to be working on a small budget and we're going to be targeting ones that have high ROIs. That's the idea. So if you want to participate, buy the deal sheet on the 1st of February and then you can see the progress that we make at the end of every month. We'll be talking about the deals that we've been buying. You'll see the deals, you could be buying them as I buy them. When I get to 60,000 sales, you then can go, wow, I've also reached 60,000 in sales. That will be a great achievement for us all to work together. And join the free Discord if you want to get in and join the other members that are going to be starting this challenge in the new year as well. This might feel a wee bit more familiar for people. As you can see, boxes galore everywhere. My house is very much overtook. In here, turn the light on. This is probably a bit more familiar for people. Your utility. You got your washing on. You know, I've got some ex-warehouse stuff, but you can see here plenty of toys, plenty of boxes all over the place, all around here. Boxes behind here. It's just a bit of a mess, I guess, but look, I'm fortunate enough that the house is big enough, but look, that's one room. That room in there, that is more than enough space. If you can sort of find a space like that in your house, maybe in a bedroom, maybe in a spare room, somewhere like that, you can most certainly do Amazon FBA and do this challenge with me. Now, this is the main room. This is part of where the magic happens. As you can see here, we've got our setup, we've got a standing desk. Now, I'm gonna be going back to the main computer and where we can pick this up and get the green screen going. So hopefully you've got a bit of an insight there. You can see you don't need a huge amount of space, you don't need a huge amount of money, and you don't need to be a rocket scientist to work out what you need to do. You buy deals at the best prices possible, you ship them to Amazon, they take care of the rest, rinse and repeat. It really can be as simple as that. Throughout the videos, we'll talk about different tips and strategies and how you can streamline your business. But ultimately, this is a business that you're invested in. If you're serious, you will know after a month or two that this is for you. If it is, start thinking bigger. Start thinking about buying things in bulk that you will always need. Think about how can I source boxes. The boxes that you've seen in the garage there, they're actually come from a huge lorry truck wheel provider. That's what they do. It's a big, huge warehouse and they just provide wheels for these businesses. They're 63.5 centimeters high, which is the maximum size. Think about all this. Can you get the boxes for free? Most boxes will set you back about £2.50 a box. That's not a lot of money, but when you're starting off and you're shipping in 10 boxes a month, that's £25 that you're just giving away when you could just source them. I source them. I go collect them every couple of months, get about 50 of them, no issues. No problems. They're always going to be there for me. And you're doing your bit because they're happy to get them recycled as well. So it kills two birds with one stone. We'll talk about plenty of other tips throughout the videos. If you find this informative, please like and subscribe. Please comment down below or join the Discord. Are you thinking about joining this £60,000 challenge? Do you think you have what it takes to do what we're going to do? Because we're going to make £60,000 as quick as bloody possible using deal sheets. Join us on the journey. I'll catch you in the next video.